Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a culture for E who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today is Liveglam. Liveglam is a monthly subscription that is $21.99 plus shipping and handling. Depending on what the price is, it can be $30 to up. Basically, depending, you can look it up online, of course. And also you get a mixture of different makeup products. You can get lipsticks, you can get brushes, you can get eyeshadows, mascara, setting spray, whatever they send you every month. And of course, you can trade your products or to skip the month. So yes. So for today's, or this month I should say, is Sunkissed Secrets. So it says, unleash your inner island goddess and make waves with our Bora Bora inspired collection, Sunkissed Secrets. From luscious lips to flawless finishes, this set is a must for you makeup, for your makeup treasure chest. Ready to bask in the beauty of summer or base? I don't know, spaz or base. In the beauty of summer, make sure to tag us for a chance to be featured on our page, so it gives you all of their social media. And let's get to the thing. So let's go with the brushes. Now these brushes came from a collection. They came out earlier this year, I think in May or April or March. So keep that with me. So the one it was a collab with Jody Woods. I think she's a content creator. I don't know for sure. I never heard of her, anything like that, but I know she collab with them, so I really need to check her out. But so let's see what this one is. I love getting her eyeshadow brushes. Their eyeshadow brushes or their makeup brushes are really good. This is very light. I like that. I like the brushes, they're very light. So this one's 201, a blending eye brush ideal for diffusing pigments to perfection. That's really soft. I really like this. I mean, I really do like this. I mean, this is really soft. Of course, the next one is the other brush from the collection. I think there's 4 brushes in this collection, I'm thinking, or could it be 5? I don't know for sure, but we'll see. So this is a 105 brush. It's an ultra fluff face brush for a flawless streak-free finish. I would use this as more like a powder brush, like for the something like that, like maybe around here or around the nose, something like that, or just putting face powder or even a blush. I think a blush would work with this. I'm thinking it would go work with this if you want more a smaller brush with your blushes, or I think it would work with contour, depending on how you want to use it, I guess. But these are really soft. I really do enjoy their brushes. I have most of the brushes and I really do like them. I really do. I mean, most of my brushes are from Liveglam, so these are really soft. I mean, these are really soft, and I do like that. So I cannot wait to play with these. I mean, this is very exciting. I mean, really soft. I'm very excited. So with their lip products, they always come into with these in these little baggies. Tell the truth, I just throw them away. You can keep them, whatever you want to use them. You can use them as gift sets, like if you have a whole bunch of lip products and you just want to gift them to your friends or family members, you can do it that way. But yeah, you get a lip scrub. Really interesting. Meant to be. Indulge in tropical paradise with an excellent sugar lip scrub. I already use this, I'm gonna be honest with you. I want to have really feel, but these I like these. And also too, you can twist these up, which I like. I really do like this. Like, how much product do you actually get? I'm gonna see. That's not bad for a lip scrub. I mean, that's like if you put it in a jar, you might get a full jar depending on the size of the jar. But I really do like lip scrubs because they're so easy. It takes off the dead skin cells, making your lips nice and smooth for a liquid lipstick, or any mattes or anything. But these, like I said, I already tried this out. This is very, very good. I do like them. I just haven't tried the brushes because of my reasons, but I really, really do like it. So I really do enjoy their lip products. There's never seemed to be a miss from them when it comes to lip products. The next one, lip liner, and pecan pie, or pecan pie if you're from the north. We in the south, we call it pecan. It's a delicious warm caramel brown lip product, meaning their lip products, their lip liners are really, really, really good. Nice and creamy. You can sharpen these, which I do like. I like their wooden. It's easier to, but this is what this shade looks like. I mean, that's a really pretty color. I really, really, like I said, I really do like their lip liners. The next product is, I love this name, Beach Please. Drop it like it's hot. I love it. Just say drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. With this new brown matte lippy. This is what I have on my lips right now. As you can see, it's such a beautiful color. This is what it looks like. I mean, I really love their lip products. They're not really dried out. They don't feel cakey on the lips. Don't feel drying over the lips, and I do like that. Like, anyone's wondering, because sometimes matte liquid lipsticks can be drying to the lips. This is my, if you don't like the dry down effect that dries your lips and make it cracky or crackle, make sure you do a lip scrub first so you don't see the patches, but also put down like a lip balm. That what actually gives you a nice layer of protection, gives you a little hydration, but gives you protection from that overly drying down the lips, liquid lipsticks. I've used the lip balm or lip oil on any liquid lipstick that can overly dry the lips, and it works no matter what. So, nice little tip. I will put the price that's all together, and like I said, whatever the price is, you get $21.99 plus shipping and handling. But to me, it's all worth it. All their products are really good. I love their eyeshadows. I love their liquid lipsticks. I love their lip liners. I basically like everything about them. I'm hoping that they come out with blushes, highlighters, even pencil eyeliners. That would be cool to see from them, and also water activated eyeliners. I want to see more products for them because they already have like setting sprays. They already coming out with makeup brushes for the face. This is like my favorite brush to use when it comes to my foundation. It's the Liveglam 206. Very light, easy. When I say this is about the same weight, this is actually more lighter than this because they're just definitely quite size difference in the thickness of the brushes, but they're really, really good. I want to see eyeshadow bases from them. I want to see a lot of products from them because I feel like they're doing a really good job with their products. Like I said before, I have no complaints with them at all. I enjoy every product that I get. But yes, so I highly recommend Liveglam if you want to try the products. And also, I will have a referral link for you guys to check them out and everything. Only thing I get is just points. Each referral counts towards something else to the next rank and all. But I do want to say thank you to everyone who's been checking out Liveglam and everything. They do have mystery boxes. They do have their own shop. They do a lot of cool things each time for a sale. They always have good sales. This is it, Beauties. Like I said before, I really do enjoy Liveglam and everything about them. Of course, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this kind of content and want to see more. And also, if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, we're drama-free and judgment-free here. We welcome everyone here. And also make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. I do go live every Monday at 12 p.m. for the summer. And of course, I do go live on Fridays at 9 p.m. So yes, make sure to check out Liveglam. Like I said, I will have a referral link for you guys to check them out, to see what they have. If you want to, subscribe to them and start your subscription, I'll say you won't regret it at all. I promise you. But this is, like I said, you gotta try. I've always said you gotta try them. You got to try them. But yes, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.